Hey there! In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the Shopify Basic plan, including pricing details, features, a comparison with the Shopify Starter and Shopify plans, and answers to some of the most common questions. Plus, I'll share some of the best Shopify apps and tools to help supercharge your store's potential. And here's the best part. These tools are perfect to explore even during your free trial. So make sure to stick around because you don't want to miss those recommendations. And before we dive in, check out the links in the description below. You'll find everything you need to get started, including an exclusive offer for 3 months of Shopify on all plans except Plus for just $1. All right, now let's dive into a quick overview of Shopify's Basic plan and what it brings to the table. First, let's talk about pricing. The Basic plan starts at a competitive $39 per month, but keep in mind there are transaction fees if you're using third-party payment gateways. Those fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction for online purchases in the US. Now, when it comes to features, you're getting a pretty robust toolkit. Here's what you can expect. You can list unlimited products. So whether you're selling 10 items or 1,000, Shopify's got you covered. You'll get 2 staff accounts, making it easier to share access with a team member or business partner. Discount code creation lets you run promotions effortlessly. Abandoned cart recovery, which is a game changer, helping you reach out to customers who didn't finish their purchases. And of course, a free SSL certificate to ensure your store is secure and trustworthy for your customers. So who's this plan really for? If you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-use platform to get your e-commerce store up and running, the Basic plan is a fantastic choice. It's also ideal for those of you transitioning from marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon. Shopify gives you more control over your branding and customer experience, which is essential for building your own business identity. All right, let's break down the differences between Shopify's Starter plan and the Basic plan. The Starter plan is Shopify's most affordable option, priced at just $5 per month. But keep in mind, this plan is designed for social selling, rather than building a full-fledged online store. Here's how it works. You can add buy buttons to your social media profiles or even embed them on an existing website. This makes it a great option for new sellers who want to dip their toes into online sales with a minimal investment. However, there's a trade-off. There's no full online store. If you're looking for a dedicated website to showcase your products, this isn't the plan for you. In a nutshell, the Starter plan is perfect for testing online sales through social platforms, while the Basic plan is the right choice for anyone looking to set up a full e-commerce store and grow their business. Finally, there's the Shopify plan at $105 per month. This plan includes everything in the Basic plan plus additional features for growing businesses. Here's what's included. 5 staff accounts for managing larger teams, enhanced shipping discounts, saving you money on high order volumes, lower transaction fees, saving you money as your sales volume increases. If your business is scaling and you want to save on transaction costs while handling more team members, this is the plan for you. To sum it up, the Starter plan is perfect for social selling on a budget. The Basic plan is best for building your first dedicated e-commerce store. And the Shopify plan is ideal for businesses that are ready to scale with lower transaction fees and more team flexibility. Pick the one that fits your goals, and you'll be on your way to building a successful online business. All right, let's talk about a common question. How many stores can I have on Shopify? On the Basic Shopify plan, you can definitely have multiple stores, but there are a few things to keep in mind. First, each store requires its own separate account and subscription, though if you want to run 2 or 3 stores, you'll need to pay for each one individually. It's not a one-price-covers-all situation. The good news, you can associate all your stores with the same email address. Shopify's Store Switcher feature in the admin panel makes it super easy to toggle between them without logging in and out every time. This is a big win for efficiency, especially if you're managing multiple brands or niches. Now, if you're thinking about grouping multiple stores into a single organization, that's a feature exclusive to the Shopify Plus plan. It's a higher tier option designed for large-scale businesses, but it's something to consider as your e-commerce journey grows. All right, let's tackle another key question. How many products can I sell on Shopify's Basic plan? You can sell an unlimited number of products. That's right, Shopify doesn't put any cap on the number of products you can add to your store, no matter which plan you're on. Let's talk about some essential Shopify apps and tools that every beginner should know about. 1. Email marketing tools. Use Shopify email for a simple and straightforward solution that's built into the platform. Or try Omnisend for more advanced automation and features. Another great option is Yotpo, which integrates seamlessly with Shopify and even combines email marketing with loyalty programs. 2. PageFly for landing page design. When it comes to creating beautiful, high-converting pages, PageFly is a game changer. Whether it's a landing page for a product launch or a holiday sale, this app gives you the drag-and-drop flexibility to design pages that convert. And yes, they offer a free plan to help you get started. 3. Apps for upselling and cross-selling. Reconvert makes it easy to create thank you pages with upsell offers. Absol Loyalty and Rewards helps you reward repeat customers and incentivize larger purchases. Or try Bundler, product bundles to offer discounts on bundled product. 4. Shopify Inbox for customer support. With Shopify Inbox, you can chat with customers in real time, answer their questions, and even close sales directly through the app. It's a fantastic way to build trust and increase conversions. 5. Product review apps. Social proof is everything. JudgeMe is a popular free option for collecting and displaying reviews. Loox lets you showcase photo and video reviews to make your products even more appealing. Trustu.io is another fantastic choice, offering advanced review features to boost credibility. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful as you explore the Shopify Basic plan and all the tools and tips we covered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our updates and tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy selling!